Thinking about turning your regular bike into a powerful e-bike, but not sure which kit to choose? The right conversion kit can boost your speed, make climbs easier, and completely upgrade your riding experience. But with so many options available, it can get confusing. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 e-bike conversion kits that offer the best power, performance, and value for every type of rider. Number 1. Bafang 48V500W Hub Motor Conversion Kit. The Bafang 48V500W Hub Motor Conversion Kit is perfect for riders who want a smooth and powerful electric upgrade without replacing their entire bike. This kit fits a wide range of wheel sizes from 20 to 29 inches, including 700C, making it highly versatile for different bicycles. The brushless geared motor delivers efficient power with low noise, ensuring a comfortable ride whether commuting or cruising. It offers steady acceleration and reliable support on flat roads and moderate hills. The installation process is simple, making it suitable for beginners who want to convert their bicycle into an e-bike. Its durable construction ensures long-term use while maintaining energy efficiency for better battery performance. The sealed system helps protect internal components from dust and moisture for consistent performance. Overall, this kit provides a balanced combination of power, comfort, durability, and practicality, making it a reliable choice for everyday riding and improved cycling experience. Number 2. Tongsheng TSDZ2B/TSDZ8 Mid-Drive Kit. The Tongsheng TSDZ2B and TSDZ8 Mid-Drive Motor Kit is designed for riders who want a natural and responsive riding experience. This system uses a built-in torque sensor that adjusts motor power based on pedaling effort, creating a smooth and realistic cycling feel. Available in power options from 250W to 750W, it is suitable for commuting, fitness, riding, and hilly terrain. The central motor placement improves weight balance, which enhances stability control and handling during climbs and turns. Battery options such as 13Ah and 20Ah provide extended range depending on your riding needs. The system is compatible with standard bottom brackets, making installation straightforward for most bicycles. It also improves pedaling efficiency and reduces rider fatigue over longer distances. Overall, this kit offers smart power delivery, smooth performance, and improved control, making it ideal for riders who want comfort, efficiency, and a more natural riding experience across different road conditions. Number 3. Tongsheng TSDZ8 750W Mid-Drive Kit. The Tongsheng TSDZ8 750W Mid-Drive Kit is built for cyclists who want powerful assistance combined with intelligent riding performance. This system features advanced torque sensing technology that adjusts motor output according to pedaling force, providing a smooth and natural ride. The 750W motor delivers strong power, making climbs, long rides, and daily commuting much easier. Designed for bottom brackets between 68 to 73 millimeters, it fits most standard bicycles without complex modifications. Its central motor position improves weight distribution, enhancing balance and control on different terrains. The system also helps optimize battery efficiency, allowing longer rides with consistent performance. Its durable construction ensures reliable use over time, even with regular riding. The improved design reduces strain on the drivetrain while maintaining efficiency. Overall, this kit offers a great combination of power control and smooth performance, making it suitable for both urban cycling and off-road adventures. Number 4. Bafang BBSHD 1000W Mid-Drive Kit. The Bafang BBSHD 1000W Mid-Drive Motor Kit is designed for riders who want maximum power, speed, and high performance. This motor delivers strong torque, making it ideal for steep hills, heavy loads, and off-road riding. It supports multiple bottom bracket sizes, including 68mm, 100mm, and 120mm, allowing compatibility with many bike types. The 48V or 52V system ensures consistent and powerful performance, even under demanding conditions. Despite its high output, the motor runs smoothly, providing stable acceleration and better control. Its strong construction ensures long-term durability with minimal maintenance required. The system also improves climbing ability and overall riding efficiency. Installation is manageable for experienced users, and once installed, it transforms your bike into a powerful e-bike. Overall, this kit is perfect for riders who want durability, performance, and strength. It delivers reliable power, smooth riding, and excellent control, making it suitable for both daily commuting and challenging terrain riding experiences. Number 5. IMOTOR 3.036 V350W Conversion Kit. The IMOTOR 3.036 V350W e-bike conversion kit is ideal for riders who want a simple and affordable electric upgrade. This front-wheel conversion kit includes a built-in battery and wireless control system, making installation quick and easy for beginners. It supports wheel sizes from 24 inches to 700C, allowing compatibility with various bicycles. The 350W motor provides smooth and moderate assistance, making it perfect for city commuting, short trips, and casual riding. The throttle feature allows easy speed control without constant pedaling, adding extra comfort. Its lightweight design improves handling and keeps the bike easy to manage. The wireless system reduces cable clutter, creating a clean and modern appearance. The motor also delivers consistent performance with minimal noise during rides. Overall, this kit offers simplicity, efficiency, and reliable performance, making it a practical choice for everyday cycling needs with improved comfort and convenience. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.